This is from an executive's perspective since the pre-production team do not have access to albums. I'll use a sample album, add a new episode, and fill out some of the fields. Let's say disseminating date, February 2 as an example. Are there any guests? I will say yes for this example. We can just leave it blank if we do not have uh, an information if there will be a guest or none. Episode title, just for example, uh, recording, schedule, workflow. See and save. I'll go to that episode and then uh, change the face after the planning, scripting, rehearsing is done. Change to recording, and there will be a field here where I can enter the recording date and time in Eastern time. Let's say at 9 o'clock a.m. Also below that, it says, click here after entering the recording schedule to create a Google Calendar invitation. Let's click that. And here's the uh, pre-populated draft of the Google Calendar event. As for the attendees, I will remove the others and only put mine for the demo. The title is okay. I also recommend that we use this format as standard format in the titles where the first word says recording so that the system will uh, know that this particular Google Calendar event is for recording. And then we have here the album name, and inside the open and close parentheses is the guest name. As for the start and end, these are also pre-populated based on the current user's location. And since I am in Philippines, uh, the recording schedule, which is January 21st, 2026, 9 a.m. in EST, is 10 p.m. for me. So this will have a different value based on where the current user is. But what's important is that we check on the EST because this is the time that is going to be added in the Google Calendar event. Next is the location, then the description, which are also pre-populated. Uh, I also recommend that we leave the episode here in the first line because there's a formula here that's going to be looking at at the episode number of that album. So everything's okay, and I will save. After saving, let's check my Google Calendar, and here is the created Google Calendar event recording how they made the A5000 with the guest name and the pre-filled information. And then uh, in our chat space, there is also going to be a notification where it says assign new recording added, and here's the title. Then there's a reminder to assign a recording technician. I will click that, and that's going to take me into the recording team page where here is the newly added um, recording schedule with the episode number. I will click that, and I will assign a recording technician. Let's say, just for example, and we now have an assigned recording technician for that recording schedule. Uh, on additional note, I just want to also inform that we have also a button here, open Google Calendar or this one. Uh, if you want to go directly to the Google Calendar invitation that we created. So right there, just an additional information. And next, I will go to the guest email. Uh, Here, I received the invitation for the for that particular recording schedule that we just demoed. Yes.